Hey folks, John with Baker Boy here. I want to share another item that Baker Boy makes. It's a fully baked 12-inch wheat sub. The product comes in fully baked and sliced on the top. It's not sliced in the girth of the roll. We leave it this way so a lot of people can dress it up and do whatever they want and cut it however they want to cut it. So I thought I would show how to do a multi-grain sub using this product. I've had a lot of people ask about it. Go right back to our basic seasoning recipes. I always start out with a half a cup of parm, a half a cup of yellow cornmeal. I got a half a cup of kind of flax seeds right here. Okay, we got our wheat germ here. I put that in there, 2 ounces. I have 2 ounces of breadcrumbs just to kind of help make our wheat bread kind of crunchy. I also got oats, so we got 2 ounces of oats. I throw in an ounce of sesame seeds, ounce of poppy seeds, and then I throw in an ounce of parsley. Parsley kind of gives the mixture color against the wheat bread. Okay, stir that in there, and you will get a nice base for your bread topping and seasoning. And we will have a cool grain bread. We'll take our egg wash, whole egg with a little bit of water in there. We're going to brush the roll on the top and be very generous with the egg wash because we want our seasonings to be nice and even, and we want our roll to be colored and very nice. Roll the bread in just like that. We'll pop this in the oven, 375 for like 5 minutes to color the rolls, color the seasoning in the bread, and away we go. Okay, breads are done, hot and fresh out of the oven, and here we go, ready to make our sub sandwiches. If you guys need any more ideas, questions, things answered, please get a hold of us at the Baker Boy website.